Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Abu Abdullah and I have been working as a lecturer in English at Pasruki Begum Arora Degree College, Arahajar, Narayanganj. Today I will discuss about phrases and idioms. So question may arise. So what is idioms actually? An idioms is an expression or a phrase that has a figurative meaning. Actually, an idiom is an expression of words or phrases that has a figurative meaning. This meaning is different from the literal meaning, This meaning is different from the literal meaning of an individual word. I mean, idioms don't mean exactly what the word says. Actually, idioms has the figurative meaning. I mean, idioms don't mean exactly what the words say. Actually, they have a hidden meaning. Idioms have a hidden meaning. We have known about idioms. An idiom is an expression or a phrase that has a figurative meaning, and this meaning is different from the literal meaning. So an idiom always has a hidden meaning. So just now we'll discuss some important idioms, which is very important for all of us. And we have to know, we have to practice more and more about idioms, otherwise we cannot memorize it. So first one, kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. The meaning is to die. Kick the bucket, the meaning is to die or to pass away. Kick the bucket meaning to die or to pass away. What does it mean? To pass away or to die. That means mara jawa. Mara jawa. So we learned these idioms. Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. I mean to die or to pass away. I mean mara jawa. Mara jawa. So we can make the sentence by using this idiom. So we can make one sentence. Have a look. The old man has kicked the bucket. Kick the bucket. The old man has kicked the bucket. The old man has kicked the bucket. বৃদ্ধ লোকটি মারা গেল. So kick the bucket. We have got the point that kick the bucket means mara jawa. Kick the bucket means mara jawa. So to die or to pass away. So the old man has kicked the bucket. The old man has kicked the bucket. Okay. We'll set another example. I have decided to donate my organs when I kick the bucket. Let's see the example. I have decided to donate my organs when I kick the bucket. When I kick, যখন আমি মারা যাব, আমি সিদ্ধান্ত নিলাম যে আমি আমার অর্গানসগুলি আমি দান করে দিব. So I have decided to donate my organs when I kick the bucket. I think you have got the point. You have to know the meaning of this idiom, kick the bucket. So kick the bucket means to die or to pass away. And just we have to know how we can make sentence by using this idiom, kick the bucket. So we can make the sentences by this way. The old man has kicked the bucket, or I have decided to donate my organ after I kick the bucket. Okay. Next idioms, number 2. yellow dog. Yellow dog. What does it mean? Yellow dog. Yellow dog. I mean despicable person. Despicable person. Yellow dog means despicable person. Yellow dog means despicable person. I mean despicable person means contemptible or hated. So yellow dog means despicable person. I mean ঘৃণ্য ব্যক্তি or হীন ব্যক্তি or ঘৃণ্য ব্যক্তি. That's yellow dog. So how we can make sentence by using these idioms? Yellow dog. A yellow dog is always hated by all. A yellow dog is always hated by all. So yellow dog means despicable person or hated person or contemptible. So yellow dog হীন ব্যক্তি or ঘৃণ্য ব্যক্তি. A yellow dog is always hated by all. একজন yellow dog কে একজন হীন ব্যক্তিকে সবাই ঘৃণা করে, একজন পাপিষ্ট ব্যক্তিকে সবাই ঘৃণা করে. A yellow dog is always hated by all. Okay, next. Without fail. Without fail. What does it mean? Without fail means certain or sure. Without fail means certain or sure. So without fail means sure or certain. Certain. I mean নিশ্চয় or অবশ্যই. নিশ্চয় or অবশ্যই. So we can make sentence by using without fail. You must attend the meeting without fail. Let's look at here. Without fail means sure or certain. So you must attend the meeting without fail. অবশ্যই নিশ্চয়ই তুমি মিটিং এ উপস্থিত হবে. You must attend the meeting without fail. Miss the boat or miss the bus. Miss the bus or miss the boat. Miss the boat or miss the bus. So what does it mean? I mean missing the chance. So the meaning of this word, missing of this idioms, missing the chance. Missing the chance. I mean সুযোগ হারানো. Miss the bus or miss the boat. What does it mean? It means miss the chance or missing the chance. সুযোগ হারানো. Miss the chance. সুযোগ হারানো. You should not miss the boat. You should not miss the boat. You should apply for the job now. Okay, see again, miss the bus or boat. Miss the bus, I mean missing the chance. সুযোগ হারানো. So you should not miss the boat. তোমাকে সুযোগ হারানো উচিত না. You should have applied for the job now. তোমাকে এখনই জবের জন্য অ্যাপ্লিকেশন করা উচিত. So we have come to learn now kick the bucket, yellow dog, without fail, miss the bus. Now we'll know another idioms. on the spur of the moment. What does it mean? On the spur of the moment. I mean under the pulse of the moment, under the impulse. Okay, on the spur of the moment. What does it mean? It means under the impulse of the moment, under the impulse of the moment. So how we can make sentence by using these idioms, on the spur of the moment? I think we can say like that: he did it on the spur of the moment. He did it, he did it, he did it on the spur of the moment. So, what's the meaning of these idioms in Bangla? On the spur of the moment. উত্তেজনা বশত, উত্তেজনায় বশবর্তী হয়ে, উত্তেজনার মুহূর্তে, উত্তেজনায় বশত, on the spur of the moment, উত্তেজনা বশত he did it on the spur of the moment. উত্তেজনা বশত সে কাজটা করে বসলো, he did it on the spur of the moment. Okay, number 6. Lion's share. Lion's share. What does it mean? Lion's share. It means the largest part. The largest part. Largest part. The lion's share in Bangla we can say সিংহভাগ, বেশি অংশটুকু, সিংহভাগ or বেশি অংশটুকু, সিংহভাগ সে নিয়ে নিল. I mean, he took the lion's share of the profit. So, if we make sentence by these idioms, we can say he took the lion's share of the profit. He took the lion's share of the profit. Okay. He took the lion's share of the profit. So we come to know that lion's share, it means the largest part or the large part or the largest part. So how we can make sentence by using these idioms? We took the lion's share of the profit. Actually, you have to know that the idioms always has a hidden meaning. Actually, it does not refer the literal meaning. It always has a hidden meaning. So just previously I have told you that just idioms is an expression or the phrase that has a figurative meaning. Idioms always has a figurative meaning. This meaning is different from the literal meaning. Actually, this meaning is very different from the literal meaning. I mean, idioms don't mean exactly what the words say. It has always hidden meaning. So have a look. Lion's share. So lion মানে সিংহ, share অংশীদার. That means it doesn't mean that. Actually, it always means it always has a hidden meaning. So it doesn't refer the literal meaning. He took the lion's share of the profit. So lion's share means the largest part. Okay, and next. Number 7. By fish and starts. By fish and starts. What does it mean? By fish and starts. I mean irregularly. 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 In Bangla we can say অনিয়মিত ভাবে. অনিয়মিত ভাবে. Irregularly. By fish and starts. Just we can make sentence by such way. He reads. He always reads by fish and starts. He always reads by fish and starts. He always works works by fits and starts. সে অনিয়মিতভাবে লেখাপড়া করে or অনিয়মিতভাবে কাজ করে. He always exercises by fits and starts. So by fits and starts it means irregularly. It means irregularly, অনিয়মিতভাবে. To the exact point. Exact point. What does it mean? To the exact point, I mean talk in two. Talk in two. To the exact point. ঠিকঠাক কথা বলা, I mean সঠিক কথা বলা, ঠিকঠাক কথা বলা. To the exact point. Talk to the exact point. Talk to the exact point. ঠিকঠাক ভাবে কথা বলো, সঠিকভাবে কথা বলো. Talk to the exact point. Talk to the exact point. Exact point. I mean into two. I mean ঠিকঠাক ভাবে বলা, ঠিকঠাক ভাবে কথা বলা, কাটায় কাটায় কথা বলা. Talk to the exact point. Birds of a feather. Birds of a feather. Birds of a feather. I mean same nature. Birds of a feather means same nature. Same nature. Birds of a feather means same nature. So how we can make sentence by using these idioms? Birds of a feather flock together. 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 Okay. Die in harness. Die in harness. Die in harness. Die in harness. What does it mean? Die in harness mean to die while active working. While active working. To die while active working. To die while actively working. Die in harness means কর্তব্যরত অবস্থায়, কর্মরত অবস্থায় মারা যাওয়া. Die in harness. Die in harness. So what does it mean? It means to die while actively working. While actively working. So কর্মরত অবস্থায় মারা যাওয়া. Yes. So die in harness means to die while actively working. To die while actively working. I mean কর্মরত অবস্থায় মারা যাওয়া. Mr. Shen died in harness. Mr. Shen died in harness. Mr. Shen died in harness. Mr. Shen কর্মরত অবস্থায় মারা গেল. Mr. Shen died in harness. So died in harness means to die while actively working. To die while actively working. I mean কর্মরত অবস্থায় মারা যাওয়া. Die in harness. Very important as well as idioms. And it's very easy idioms as well as important idioms. You know, die in harness. Very modern word that is die in harness. Okay. Okay, another idioms. Have a look. Very sophisticated idioms. This is break a leg. Break a leg. Break a leg. Break a leg. Previously, I have told you that just the idioms always has a hidden meaning. It doesn't indicate the literal meaning. It has a hidden meaning. I mean, it doesn't focus on the literal word. It has a hidden meaning. So break a leg, pa banga, no. Break a leg means shubhukamuna. Break a leg means shubhukamuna. I mean good luck or good wishes. Good luck. Good luck or good wishes. Good luck or good wishes or best wishes. Break a leg. Break a leg. So break a leg means shubhokamona. Break a leg. Break a leg. Shubhokamona tomar jonno. And you have an exam tomorrow. Break a leg. If you write, you have an exam tomorrow. Tomorrow. Break a leg. Break a leg. Break a leg. Shubhokamona. You have an exam tomorrow. Break a leg. You did well. Break a leg. Break a leg. Shubhokamona. Tomar jonno shubhokamona. Break a leg. That's very sophisticated English. Break a leg. Shubhokamona. Best wishes. I mean, break a leg means best wishes or good luck. Okay? Out of order. Out of order. Out of order. I mean, ineffective. Ineffective. Out of order. Out of order. Okeju. In Bangla, we can say okeju or bicol or okeju. Out of order. Out of order. Okeju or bicol. Ineffective. 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 Out of order. I mean out of date. So we can say the car is out of order now. The car is out of order. So out of order means out of date. Out of date or out of order. That means okeju or bicol. Ineffective. Ineffective. So the car is out of order now. I mean the car, it is out of order now. Now another sophisticated idioms is very important to for using, and we have to know the meaning of these idioms. Hot cake, you know, hot cake. Hot cake. So what the meaning of these idioms? Garam cake? No. Hot cake. I mean, it doesn't focus on the literal meaning. Actually, idiom doesn't focus on literal meaning. Idiom has always a hidden meaning. You know, it doesn't focus on literal meaning. And previously I've told you that. So hot cake, it doesn't garam cake. So what would be? What will be the meaning of this hot cake? Hot cake means, I mean, hot cake means to dispose of something very quickly. I mean, to dispose something very quickly. I mean, in Bangla we can say chahida bahul ponno. Chahida bahul ponno. Hot cake. Hot cake means chahida bahul ponno. I mean, to dispose of something very quickly. To dispose of something very quickly. যেই পণ্য সহজে বিক্রি হয়ে যায়, সহজে তাড়াতাড়ি ইজিলি বিক্রি হয়ে যায়, তাকে বলা হয় হট কেক। Such as iPhone is an iPhone is a hot cake product. Hot cake product. Or Hilsa fish is a hot cake product. Hilsa fish is a hot cake product, or iPhone is a hot cake product, or cars are selling like hot cakes. 3. Cars are selling like hot cake. Okay, so hot cake means chahida bahul ponno. I mean to dispose something very quickly. The product which is dispose something very quickly, that is called hot cake. So hot cake means chahida bahul ponno. iPhone is a hot cake product, or Hillsa is a hot product, or cars are selling like hot cake. Okay. Another idiom, so we'll discuss now. Out of sort. Out of sorts. What does it mean? Out of sorts means sick, somewhat sick, or ill, sick. অসুস্থ, I mean অসুস্থ. I am out of sort now. I am out of sort now. I am out of sorts now. আমি এখন কিছুটা অসুস্থ. I am out of sorts now. আমি এখন কিছুটা অসুস্থ. Okay. A hard nut to crack. 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 Difficult problem. A difficult problem. A hard nut to crack means a difficult problem. I mean কঠিন সমস্যা. A hard nut to crack. A hard nut to crack. So it means a difficult problem. A hard nut to crack. It means a difficult problem. কঠিন সমস্যা. A difficult problem. Difficult problem. So I'm passing a hard nut to crack. I'm passing a hard nut to crack. আমি এখন কঠিন সমস্যা অতিক্রম করছি. I am passing a hard nut to crack. I am passing a hard nut to crack. আমি এখন একটা কঠিন সমস্যা অতিক্রম করছি. I am passing a hard nut to crack. Okay. Let the cat out of the bag. So what does it mean? Let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. I mean reveal a secret. Reveal a secret. Reveal a secret. Let the cat out of the bag. What does it mean? It means to reveal a secret. Reveal a secret. গোপন তত্ত্ব ফাঁস করে দাও. গোপন তত্ত্ব ফাঁস করে দেওয়া. গোপন তত্ত্ব ফাঁস করে দেওয়া. I mean reveal a secret. So don't let the cat out of the bag. Don't let the cat out of the bag. গোপন তত্ত্ব ফাঁস করে দিও না. Don't let the cat out of the bag. Hello. হ্যাঁ নিশ্চয়. দেখো কার বসে থাকো, দেখো কার আসছে কিনা. আসতে নিয়ে যাও. So let the cat out of the bag. What does it mean? It means to reveal secret. Reveal secret. I mean কোনো গোপন তথ্যকে ফাঁস করে দেওয়া. So we can make sentences by this way. Don't let the cat out of the bag. Don't let the cat out of the bag. Hello. নিয়ে তো পান্না পাকে বলো যে আপওয়ার্ড প্লাসের গাইডের আমি আপওয়ার্ড প্লাসের গাইডের স্যার বলছে আমাদেরকে ওই যে অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা দিয়ে দিতে। Okay, now we'll learn other idioms. Rank and file. Rank and file.